Nag-New Year sina Vice President Sara Duterte, former Presidents Rodrigo Duterte, Gloria Arroyo at Erap Estradang tinanggal sa National Security Council ayon sa Executive Order 81 ni President Bongbong Marcos nitoong December 30 at inirelease sa publiko nitoong January 3. In the executive order, PBBM highlighted the need para sa mas compact in the name of reorganizing or decluttering the NSC laban sa bantang domestic at international. Basically, he wants the people that he fully trusts para mapunta sa NSC sa advisory board na iyon. This is quite the bold move for President Bongbong Marcos na usually is scheduled to be a lame duck president, not to mention na hindi siya ganon ka-divisive as he once was when he was a candidate. Basically, a lame duck president is someone na nanalo na and mananalo pa, especially during the midterms later this year. But after that, it is or will be uneventful. With the Dutertes out of sight dahil sa kanilang affinity at, let's be honest, destructive, Sino-loving rhetoric, they are basically unaligned sa mga plano ni Marcos when we consider that Donald Trump is going to be in office later in January at he is a tough anti-CCP strongman. With Trump's power consolidated dahil sa malaking mandate of the plurality of the votes against Kamala Harris, of which he used to never win the plurality of the votes, ang nasa isip ni Marcos, the Dutertes are too much trouble to work with in the name of national security, lalo na there's a tricky relationship brewing between the Philippines, China, and the USA in this sort of twisted love triangle that just won't quit, lalo na sa West Philippine Sea. At again, we are becoming a pawn between the fight against China, the upcoming global power, and the USA, the global hegemonic power. And you know, Marcos is aligned with the US, so there's conflict of interest when historically the Dutertes, especially FPRRD's presidency, was vehemently opposing the United States in favor of a more peaceful waters in the West Philippine Sea, with China even signing or even agreeing to a secret deal that would allow status quo to remain in his presidency sa West Philippine Sea. Kaya wala tayong masyadong naririnig na pag-aaway o pang-aaway ng mga boats ng PCG or ng CCG.